Tired of wasting hours cleaning messy datasets in Excel? Let's change that. Picture this. You've got a dataset riddled with gaps and inconsistencies. Sure, Excel has tricks to clean it up, but doing it over and over for large datasets? Exhausting. What if I told you there's a faster, smarter way? Enter Power Query, Excel's secret weapon for streamlining data tasks. What is Power Query? Imagine being able to pull data seamlessly from multiple sources, whether it's files like workbooks, text files, or CSVs, or powerful databases like SQL, Oracle, and SAP. That's just the beginning. Power Query goes beyond importing data, it transforms it. With Power Query, you can clean and reformat data to fit your needs. And here's the real magic. Power Query remembers every single step you take. The next time your data changes, you don't need to start from scratch. Just hit refresh and it applies all your transformations automatically. It's like having a data wizard at your fingertips. Let's see Power Query in action. We're keeping it simple for this example. Let's split a column of course codes and their descriptions into two separate columns. Here's how. Click anywhere in your data, head to the Data ribbon, and under Get and Transform Data, select From Table Range. Welcome to the Power Query Editor, your data transformation playground. It looks familiar, like Excel, but with tools built for efficiency. Select the column you want to split and use the Split Column tool in the Home ribbon. Now here's where Power Query shines. You don't just split by a space like in Excel's text to columns. You can go further, split by custom delimiters, separate text by patterns like digits to non-digits or uppercase to lowercase. For this example, we'll split by the leftmost delimiter, click OK, and just like that, it's done. Rename your columns, say Shark Course Code and Course Description, by double-clicking their headers. Now that your data looks perfect, let's save the query. Go to Close and Load Tos and choose how you want it displayed. A pivot table or pivot chart? Absolutely. Or maybe just a data connection for later? No problem. A new worksheet? Sure. For now, let's load it to a new worksheet. And just like that, your clean transformed data is ready to use. But wait, what happens if your source data changes? Say you forgot to fill in a category. Just update the original data set, right-click your query and hit Refresh. Boom, your transformed data updates instantly. No need to redo anything. Power Query is more than a tool. It's a time saver, an automation wizard, and your secret weapon for tackling any dataset. And we've only scratched the surface. In future videos, we'll dive into even more jaw-dropping features to revolutionize how you work with data. Stop letting data slow you down. Let Power Query take your efficiency to the next level.
Thanks for watching.